Well, it's so weird seeing this apart. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of.
Yeah. All right, yeah, sounds good. How are you today, man? Enjoy driving that thing today.
What's that?
I said enjoy driving that thing today.
Oh, I will.
Day 2. The audio on this is terrible.
Oh, it's like GoPro.
It's a faux pro.
Oh, all right. Yeah.
Chinese faux pro. Oh, so this is my piece right here?
Yeah. That's one of the center sections.
Oh, you already cut it off.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. We got the tub up in the air.
We
We
got
got
it all down last night. We spent like, I don't even know how many hours.
Oh, I really hope we can recover that footage.
Grinding. Yeah, definitely.
Look at that. There's no... Woohoo.
Yeah, the inside's painted and coated and cleaned. Like the inside.
Oh, this is the piece I welded.
Yeah, and then that's I was test fitting that. That's gonna come off and be painted inside too, but
Wow.
I wanted to test fit everything first.
Oop, almost.
That was helping me last night stood up into your bumper.
Yeah, well, I think that's a given.
This is the this piece is
Oh, we got what? Something over here?
but
Oh, so this is mine too?
yeah. I'm just prepping the inside of it.
And this is the safety cap, or is this the Amazon one?
Amazon. Yeah, they're all Amazon.
That's still,
pieces. Except
it's thick. It's thick.
for one.
It's thicker than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I think it's 18 gauge.
We got new nuts. Oh, this is going to be awesome.
Yeah.
Look at my poor Jeep.
Yeah, it's nice being able to just bolt and everything up. Like,
Yeah, if this was in my shop, it would stay like this for a month, and it would be brand new when it went back down.
yeah, right. Oh, yeah, that's the other thing. I needle scaled all like the frame.
Oh,
I
you
even
did?
cleaned up the engine block. Their engine block was super
So you
crusty.
beat me to it, huh?
Yeah. I got the.
'Cause for context for the viewers, I wrote him last night when he sent me a picture of this, and I said, "Do you have a needle gun?" And the response was, "I already did it." So are these bushings all right?
Yeah, I tightened it up.
All right, because I was going to replace. I planned on replacing those. That was the clunk then.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
For sure.
this side's still on.
Yeah, that side I ran the needle scaler across real quick and got it ready.
I don't know how well. I'm going to have to lighten this in editing, but that's how bad this was.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Look at that.
Put these on the left.
I could put the big light on it, but then it gets heavy. Oh, yeah, here comes the sun. We got a valve cover leak.
Yeah, valve covers are like
My drive shaft's all right.
always loose. Oh, I tightened up this too. Your steering shaft was super loose. Like I could take
Up
this
here, too?
and- yeah, I could move it like this.
Because when I got this,
Gearbox.
they must have changed this, because when I got it, the pitman arm was off. It was just
Okay.
hanging on by a thread.
Yeah, I got that tight, so that between like you still got a tiny bit of play, but that's in the actual shaft in the box, so
Yeah. Oh, this is awesome.
which is fine.
This guy's going above and beyond. Handley?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, this is the place to take your Jeep.
Oh yeah, nah. Easily.
Oh, that's.
Like this hole is huge. Oh, I didn't even have to unbolt this one.
I'm going to need my light for that, or yours.
Yeah, right. Yeah, they literally
Literally
just pulled right through. This is the old
Right.
bolt.
So 3, oh, you just left them on there.
Yeah, same. I cut the other side off and cleaned it.
1, 2, 3. So there's 8, and 3 of them were gone.
Yeah, so the body was probably flexible a little bit.
I was going to replace, well, we are going to replace these,
Yeah.
and we're doing a body lift. Oh, what's this?
Nice, the other side.
Why is this clean? You got
Oh.
one clean spot.
Yeah, stainless. Yeah, I think the only reason it's even black further down is just because somebody spray painted the frame at some point. There was a lot of spray paint that was coming off over here when I was coming out.
Wow. Well, paint's good.
Yeah.
Paint's a good thing. Yeah. So you're gonna spray this with the goo?
Yeah, everything gets hit while it's apart. That's why that one you saw was like done on the top but not the bottom, because we hit the top
Yeah.
while it's apart.
Did you already, did you bend this?
No.
Because I've got my fingers in there.
Yeah, right. Yeah, no.
It does hit though on the.
Probably,
Maybe the body.
yeah, the weight's off, so
Yeah.
it lifted a bit. Yeah, and it was missing this hanger. It broke
Oh,
at some point, and then this one looks like it's about to break, that one back there.
I think I put that one on.
Right. No, it won't happen a lot.
Did I put a tailpipe on this, or was that the last one? It must have been the last one. This one's still
It looks
welded.
factory, yeah, because I think aftermarket, there are two pieces, muffler, tailpipe.
So how are my bushings and all that? You-
Everything else is
All the rubber looks
fine.
all right?
Yeah.
Look at
Most of the time we
look at the
can-
oil all over the back of the engine.
Yeah, they always leak, I guess.
It's way easier to change the starter this way.
Yeah, pretty much anything.
I was thinking,
Motor swaps.
yeah, I was thinking about the alternator while it's apart, but I don't want to put you out, so I'll do it when I get it back.
Yeah, whatever. I'll take it.
So, nothing exciting going on at the moment, just apart. I'm surprised you got that frame all done in one day? Apart
Yeah, we
and one side done in one day.
were here pretty late last night.
Oh, there's my old parts. Where's
Yeah,
my,
all that rust on the floor is from the Jeep too. That all came out of the frame rail.
oh, there's my nail. There's my handiwork.
I think the other pieces.
I had a nail up to the frame to keep it from going this way, and I had U-bolts welded on over this to keep it from going up and down.
Yeah, I don't know what I did with the U-bolt.
I made it through, you cut them off.
I tossed it somewhere. It
Yeah.
might be in that pile. over
You
there.
cut them off.
Yeah,
Oh,
definitely.
I expected you would, but I thought you'd get a kick out of it.
Yeah, I didn't realize it went up and over the frame until we got the top off.
There's another piece. That must be part of that.
Yeah, upper control arm and then lower control arm. This is the back part of the curve where it comes down.
Yeah.
This is, and obviously the belly pan. But
So these were okay?
yeah, they're fine. There was because of the weld up here, I had to cut a little more than I usually do, but fill it with weld.
Okay.
That'll be fine.
Lifetime warranty?
Yeah. We'll wax it every year.
The life of the Jeep, right?
Now, if they're wool waxed, and that the wool wax is kept up with, it's never gonna rot.
If I can get a bigger alternator. Maybe if I go bigger on the alternator, it'll keep up with the winch. I'm surprised how often I use that thing.
Really?
Trees. I pulled my truck up the driveway once, got stuck in the mud. I got my chainsaw stuck in a tree,
Oh, are you serious?
winched the branch off the chainsaw, unpinched it,
No kidding.
got the chainsaw out,
That's
yeah.
actually kind of cool. Stuff you don't think about using it for.
It's just
when you have it.
it's just a handy tool.
I
Like
cleaned
this.
all the leaves that were out, that were in between the radiator, and I cleaned this out too. This was full of debris.
Again?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
That one always clogs.
I did a video on that. I'm gonna
Oh,
put
did you really?
yeah, I'm gonna put a cover on it. The reason that panel on top is ashy looking
Yeah.
is it's Rust-Oleum paint.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, it doesn't last in the sun.
I honestly am pulling these rubber ends just off, and it creates a bigger hole so stuff will pass through, because it all gets caught in that small hole.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking about putting just a cover over it, like a hood scoop,
Yeah, right, yeah.
just to keep the leaves out. Because this does live outside, as you could probably guess.
Yeah.
Radiator looks good.
Yeah,
I'm gonna blow out the heater core. I'm gonna blow that up because the heat doesn't work anymore.
right.
We got engine issues too, huh?
There was so much rust on
Well, it's cast iron, right?
it. Yeah.
It won't go too far.
Right. It's just nasty to look at.
Well, feel free to shoot some black paint on it if you're bored.
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna paint everything anyway.
Oil, yeah, right, yeah.
Well, I wanted that repair job, if you want to call it that. I wanted to make it through the winter, and I did.
Yeah, right.
I didn't want to take the diesel out in the salt, and
Not stupid, it works.
Yeah, no, I made it.
Right.